Jaziz versus General Kwai.
My armor will crush your pathetic forces. This area was once fertile farmland. Soon your blood will make it fertile again.
Oh, okay, I will work. I will do the best I can.
Well,
I will work.
Yes. Told me to use palaces.
I will try to hurry. I will work. What do you want with me?
You realize
And I have
that
some
palaces
shoes.
are expensive.
I do what I am told.
And we'll go along with this little charade.
That was a lot of work. Okay, I will work.
Probably gonna build one here, one here, one here.
Our work is complete. That building cannot fit there. I will do the best I can. What do you want with me?
Putting 5 workers on the supply stash. I don't know what's gonna be best.
I will work.
Okay,
I'm
what the
just
heck's
a
this guy
peasant.
doing? He must be better than everyone else.
It's quiet out there, General. There must be a lot of tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think?
I'm hungry. I will work.
I'm not even gonna build anything out of the arms dealer. $1,500. 5 rockets.
What do
I'll
you
build
want
your
with
war factories, General. They still will not produce tanks capable of stopping
I
mine.
will do what I must. Do not hurt me.
What?
Can I have some shoes?
Be on watch for the enemy.
This
Your
is
supply
hard
pile
work.
looks low. Now nothing can stop us. Be on watch for the enemy.
I'd like to get a Jarmen
Be on
Kell
watch for the enemy.
just to shoot some of these Emperor tanks. Probably won't stick any guys in them until later on, but we'll see.
Be on watch for the enemy.
What is that?
Land must be preserved. Be on watch for the enemy. Quick, ready yourselves.
Okay.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Not even gonna buy a van.
Tanks! Build more tanks! Here we come, General. I hope your defenses are up. Be on watch for the enemy.
I need to get a Jarmen Kell right now.
Be on watch for
Kill
the
the
enemy.
infantrymen. Is that good? Actually come up here.
Building construction has begun.
Land must be preserved for shelter. The tunnels will protect us. Be careful.
Jeez. Can't even walk through there.
I will obey.
Instead of building a 3rd palace, we're gonna get a couple tunnel networks up. That'll kill infantry.
I will try to hurry.
Another battalion is on its way,
work is
General.
complete.
Please make
I'm
them feel
hungry.
welcome.
I will go.
Guarding the GLA underground.
Yes.
Not gonna lie, I never knew you could build more than 1 palace with this
All
general.
tanks beware. Jarmen Kell has entered the field.
So 1 and N. N kills vehicles.
I will obey. This hammer is heavy.
No one escapes.
I am finished with the building.
Got 2 of them. Fine, we're actually gonna get that instead.
Our land
Oh, hey,
must
look.
be preserved.
It's a rocket man.
I'm just a peasant.
We are approaching your base, General. Prepare yourself. Armed with demolitions. We've breached your defenses, General. Now your factories will begin to fall. Guarding the GLA underground.
Cannot we live in peace? Okay,
I see you haven't run in fear, General. Soon, you'll wish you had.
Didn't Jarmen Kell level up? That's great.
My forces
I've
are
never
at your
even
door,
thought of that.
General. Ah, this is the part of the battle I enjoy the most. The part just before I finish off my enemy.
Yes.
5 men for that
Your
building.
base has grown
Actually,
too large, General. My tanks will enjoy the target practice.
The tunnels will protect us.
What do you want me? Do not hurt me.
Get out.
Land must be preserved.
I'm just a peasant.
You are losing, General. This battle is mine.
Guys, I think we might got this one. I mean, I've got no room for black markets, but
Our base is under attack.
what's the timer on this? I don't know.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
Guarding the GLA
What do you
underground.
want with me?
You need to come over here. Build me another
No
tunnel
one
network.
escapes. Who's the target? Lining them up.
Get it before the building does. Oh, nice. I could send someone in there.
New spotting position.
Ah, my tanks are almost in range
I
of
might
your
have to
base.
save that.
They should be almost soon.
I gotta save these for the
Tanks, move
Emperors.
faster before our opponent considers an actual attack.
Our base is in peril.
There we go, there we go.
Who's the target?
Land must be preserved.
Hurry up, dang it!
Stay close to safety.
A warrior is falling.
Blow something up.
I sense danger moving near.
Armed with demolitions.
I fear this will end you, General.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
General, our land is being attacked.
I will obey.
Oh, that's great. That's great. That's even better.
Supplies. I need more supplies. Enough. Do not
Okay.
destroy any more of my tanks, General.
Yes. I will do the best I can.
All hope is gone now, General. Surrender
Oh
or
gosh,
die.
are you serious?
Construction has been completed.
One dude's gonna freaking wreck me?
What do
Our
you
base
want?
is in peril. Quick, ready yourself for the enemy.
I am going to take this time to construct more defenses.
The enemy
No,
may be near.
wait. I'll build more tanks instead.
Who's the target? Steadily.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General?
The building.
Be on watch for the enemy. Guarding the GLA underground. Shh, I sense
I
danger
will
moving
obey.
near. Be on watch for the enemy.
Gatling cannon. Ready soon. In a moment.
What do you want with me? Okay, here I go.
Preparing my tools. Gatling cannon is ready. No one escapes.
Well done, General. You have
I'm
reached
just a
a
peasant.
higher rank.
It's not looking too good, is it?
What do you need? What is next?
Our homes are in peril. Watch your step.
Let's blow something up.
Are you protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look?
Well,
Armed with demolition.
Your tactics amuse me, General.
Oh, okay, I will
yeah, how are
work.
we gonna stop playing?
Let's blow something up.
We get some money, huh?
General, my forces outnumber yours. It's only a matter of time now. enjoy the rest, General. Soon the attacks will begin again. Are you impressed with the modifications to my tanks, General?
I will obey. Already needs repairs?
I am waiting.
What do you want with me?
What do you need? Let's blow something up. Who's the target? My crosshairs.
A warrior has fallen.
New spotting position.
Not looking too bad. Ooh, that guy took a beating.
A warrior has fallen.
Don't get on my bad side.
Oh, shoot, come on!
Yes, it already needs repairs.
Armed with demolitions.
Armor? Crush them.
Cannot we live in
Hey,
peace?
maybe I should build some of these things, huh?
You're shooting at my planes? Do you think this is the best tactic against me, General?
I am waiting.
Your inferior strategy has led you to this place, General. You can't win now.
Four on the floor. Don't push me.
Quick, ready yourselves.
Yes, yes. I am big. I'll puncture
Do
the
not
next
hurt
thing.
me. I will do the best I can.
Soon the field will fill with tanks.
No one is
My tanks.
Our Jarmen Kell has been seen by the enemy.
New spotting position.
Our base is in peril.
Four on the floor. Don't push me.
Cannot we live in peace? If that is what you want.
I am waiting.
Our war factories are working hard to make more tanks just for you, General.
Four on the floor. I do not have patience for this. Yes, yes. I'll get there. Don't get on my bad side.
Do not hurt me. It is not looking too good, is it?
General, our land is being attacked.
All units, attack!
What do you want with me? That building cannot fit there. Do not hurt me. I can't build there. This is hard work. I will obey. I can't build there.
Man, this darn supply center is in my way.
That building cannot be there. Cannot we live in peace? This hammer is heavy.
Alright, we need this. We need this. We're looking at 2,000,
Our base is
2,000.
under attack.
Get that one first.
A warrior has fallen.
Let's blow some.
How much longer can you survive such losses, General?
Oops.
Perhaps it is time to consider surrender.
Anything else?
Run must be preserved. Quick, run for shelter. No cost is too great. We will not be oppressed. The higher order shall reign.
I will get it.
Fighting for the Red Army. been installed.
It is time.
Our way is through. The way is clear.
Yes,
Is ready.
I will help. I will obey.
A warrior has fallen.
I'm hungry.
This spells your doom, General.
I can't build there. Thank you for the new shoes.
And what do you plan to do with that Scudstorm, General?
Cannot we live in peace? That building cannot fit there.
Expanding service area.
Okay, I will work.
Tanks amass in our base, preparing for the final assault. Will your defenses hold this time?
Oh,
I can't build there.
not gonna lie, guys, I'm kind of embarrassed that Caleb thinks
That building
A
cannot
warrior
fit
has
there.
fallen.
I can't build there.
he's lazy aim. Work doesn't want to go that.
Will your base, General? Your defenses were inadequate.
I am waiting.
That's okay, right?
We have 80 rockets now.
Sell this.
I'm just a peasant.
Build this.
I will do
Just
what I
like
must.
that.
I'm hungry. I am finished with the building. There's not enough room for that building.
Caleb just messaged me, said, Jarmen Kell will kill infantry, not tanks. Like, okay, Caleb.
Be careful. We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
You know, these computers are
Our base
predictable.
is in peril.
Oh, not a big army here. I guess what we're gonna do that just because we can.
My forces are at your door, General.
Extra large.
Oh, okay, I will work.
Preparing my tools.
A warrior.
This will be your last chance to prove yourself, General. Soon my tanks will end your pitiful army.
With demolitions. Who's the target engineer? I mean,
Bye, Jarmen Kell. Okay, we're
I'm
doing
just
good
a
on
peasant.
money. Got enough money now. Should we just turn this
Construction has been
into a
The
super
Iron
weapons
Dragon
battle?
marches through your puny defenses.
I am big.
let's blow something up.
Wasn't very nice.
A warrior has fallen.
Still my only flame tank.
I am finished with the building.
Prepare to fight. Ah, yes. Let's fight. General, our land is being attacked.
Here. I will slip in.
Our Jarmen Kell has been seen by the enemy.
Spin them up.
Okay. I could nuke this power and hope that his nuclear missile doesn't launch.
You cannot believe your luck will hold out much longer, can you, General?
Because honestly, I don't think one Scud's gonna kill a nuke. Let's ask Caleb.
I am waiting. I will slip in. Who's the target? He's in my crosshairs.
What do you need? Nothing in our way.
Stop killing it! Oh, you guys are horrid. What are you doing?
Nothing in our way.
The warrior has fallen.
I am waiting.
Oh my god. I'm so glad you're dumb enough to put a couple rocket bolts.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General?
Who's talking to me? Anything else?
I will obey.
Oh my goodness, Caleb's calling me. Hello?
Hello.
Your voice is being recorded, so...
I couldn't get your
What
text
do you
today.
need?
Busy getting ready, but yes, the long and the short of it is I'm gonna have to disagree with your buggy sucking statement.
Which they do.
What?
I said which they do.
Well, if you use them like a handicap, yeah.
Bury my tool.
You will never outtank a tank general. Not with GLA. GLA's tanks are terrible compared to tank general's tanks. Even freaking battle masters, like his very first bottom of the line tanks, will freaking destroy your
We will defend this territory.
tanks.
Are you protecting your flanks, General?
Your
Why
best
don't we
bet
have
is
a
to
look?
use a wall of clods because they build faster than scorpions. I know they're not going to kill
Extra large.
the battle
This
masters or the
better be
emperors,
good.
but they're a meat shield. I have to think about it. Let your buggies rip them apart from behind the meat shield.
Nothing in our way.
With scud launchers integrated with your buggies, because the scuds will help destroy any large grouping of tanks, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But 3 or 4 buggies will rip apart battle master in no time as long as you keep them out of
Our base is in peril.
range, but they're so maneuverable and so quick that
Tanks!
if
Build
you
more
get
tanks!
past, like if you can get to the point where you can get a small army of buggies and scuds, there's no reason a tank general should ever kill a GLA.
Right, but will one scud kill a full nuke?
One like super weapon scud?
Yeah.
Your best bet on that is to get your
Are you
demolition
impressed
upgrades
with the
where you can
modifications
drop
to
your
my
rebels and
tanks,
explode
General?
them.
Uh-huh.
Drop them right next to the nuke and explode them and then launch your scud. You have to make sure you do it in that order, otherwise your guys tend to die in the radiation crap left over from your scud. But your best bet as
Scudstorm
far
will
as
harm
destroying a
us.
super weapon
Now.
with GLA goes,
You
because it
have
won't
to
kill
learn,
everyone at
General.
one super
you
one
did.
scud launch won't
Hungry.
destroy a
You
nuke.
change your mind often.
Yeah, I just got nuked.
Our land is being attacked!
warrior has fallen.
That's where I usually build up my black markets, and you'd always nuke that
So,
for me.
you destroyed my
That might
barracks.
just
So
be
be
the
it.
way I design my
I will
base, is why
destroy
you hit
yours.
that spot. And I always make my line out there with the supply stashes. I always make my circle out there, just 'cause that way I get that
warrior
extra
has
money.
fallen.
Already needs repairs?
We can now use our scud storm.
Oh. Yeah, you just took out
Crush them.
all my income with that nuke.
Yeah, you'll never keep a tank general out with stinger sights either.
Our base is under attack!
Guys who just built this massive array
Launching
of
scud storm.
stinger sights.
Uh-huh.
When playing against people, they build them like 7 or 8 deep. And it's just freaking food to help level up your emperors. That's all it is.
Yeah, I didn't even build one.
Another battalion is on its way,
Yeah, I
General.
know. For the
Please
same
make them
cost
feel
as 3
welcome.
stinger sights, you can build a palace. And that palace is going to do 10 times more help
General,
for you than
our
those
land
3
is being
stinger sights
attacked.
will. You know,
Yeah.
Get on my bad side.
takes a little longer to build, but
It
so
is
there's that aspect that you have to consider, but
You know, these things are playing pretty extremely stupid.
Yes, yes.
Soon
What,
the field will
how far
fill
in
with tanks.
is Tank General? Is
My
it just right after
bugs.
Toxin, or
Huh?
Yeah, it's right after Toxin.
I do not have patience for this.
should I be
Don't
super
get on my
weapons?
bad
Then I went
side.
back to skirmishing. I
Don't
haven't even
push
tried
me.
Toxin yet, but I
Let's
knew how to
blow
record.
some-
I haven't
warriors
really used to
fallen.
step against Tank. I love going against Tank
Your
General.
defenses fall like toys before my armor.
No
Yeah.
cost is too great!
And they don't have any artillery. That's why I don't like Laser General. That's why I don't like Tank anymore. Is
A warrior has fallen.
getting through base defenses if they do them right. But on top of that, going up against artillery, like, you know how many times, that's what ended up making me switch to GLA, is I got sick of getting freaking destroyed by scud launchers and rocket buggies that were sitting behind freaking quad cannons, you know? This
is the part of the battle I enjoy the most.
The longest time before I ever played a few back when I used to play
enemy.
They used to be tank generals, but yeah, but I was really good with them for a minute, but anyways, then you start playing against better people that know how to play better and tank generals. He's got a good advantage early game, which is what makes it hard to go against him as a computer. Because computers are so good about getting in your base early, and especially on the challenges, they're already freaking got their arm base built, so it's not really starting off on an even playing field, but takes no personal person with like a 5-minute or 7-minute no rush rule. You've already beat him just from that freaking no rush rule, you know? But early game, Tank General has a huge advantage over GLA just because your Scorpion tanks suck a dick in comparison to anything that China can bring to the table. But,
Tanks move faster.
and even like the Marauders like you did,
Actual attack.
they do a little better, but they're still just not a match
Nice
for
base,
an
General.
Emperor. I mean, they'll
Care
kind
to
of stand their
surrender?
ground with Battle Masters, but that's about it. Like,
Yes.
your best bet to kill an Emperor is Scud Launchers and Rocket Buggies. Rocket Buggies, because they can stay away. You know what I mean? You can just play that dance right outside of their range.
Our Jarmen Kell has been seen by the enemy.
Scud Launchers can't outrun them, so you're only really going to get about 1 or 2 launches out of them. But, especially if it's against 3 or 4 Emperors that are somewhat tight together, even if that Scud only launches twice, your Buggies will have easy work to finish cleaning them up, but on top of that, the Jarmen Kell thing, if you have him just kind of free-floating to snipe those Emperors, and then you can either have him hop in and build a new Jarmen Kell or try to get a Rebel there, but
yeah, I've got 2 Emperors right now working for me.
This spells your
Because I just
doom,
dropped
General.
Rebels right on top of them. Drop them in.
We can now use our Scudstorm. A warrior is
yeah,
fallen.
but as far as killing him new, most efficient way to do it is drop those Rebels.
Our base is under attack.
Up next to it.
I am going to take this time to construct more defenses. No, wait.
As long as
I'll
you
build
can get
more
all
tanks
four exploded
instead.
before they get killed. I don't remember if they built landmines on the challenge or not.
Yeah.
They do.
Well, no, I dropped them, exploded them, and then used my second Scud to finish it off. I used my first Scud to try to take out power, but I freaking took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 power plants, and that didn't take out his power.
Launching Scudstorm.
Yeah, that's the best advice I can theoretically give you. But yeah, palaces against a tank general, the only thing you can do is drag and tank it, and that will kill your rocket soldiers on the inside.
We're in your base, General. Your defenses were
Kind of
inadequate.
micromanage, and if you see a dragon tank coming, make sure your palace is targeting it before anything else. Usually pretty safe.
Your tactics amuse me,
So what are we
General.
gonna do our 1v1? We can do that this weekend or what?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What do you mean? You've been so cocky on Facebook. You can't back out now. You've got my hopes all up. Try to play against a person finally, not freaking computers. I'll even prove to you the whole rocket buggies are better than anything Tank General can bring to the table, and you can be Tank General. And I'll just straight up bring rocket buggies at you. I won't even bring you a meat shield, I'll just freaking mass bomb
My forces are at your door, General.
rocket buggies, and you can mass bomb whatever tank you want.
Let's blow something up.
I don't know.
404.
Bang.
I do not have patience.
Right now.
Get you one of the nights you get off of work.
Yeah, right now I'm recording,
warrior
so
has fallen.
this entire
Preparing my
conversation is on
duties.
YouTube. Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
How do you freaking get? What program are you using?
just the one on the computer. It's like Microsoft Record.
It just came standard with your computer, huh?
I had to download it or activate it. I had to like activate it,
Enjoy the rest, General.
and then I
Soon
just
the
pushed
attacks will begin
the
again.
Windows key in G, and that brings up the. It's called like game recording.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
They have to have you either message that to me on Facebook or text it to me so I can try to figure out how to record.
Yeah, and it just and then you just when you click on YouTube and upload file, it just instantly pulls up your recorded game.
This better be
The tunnels will protect us. We will be safe in there.
Not bad.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Well, what is it? Today's the 29th, so hopefully by the time I get off work in the morning, they have, you know, if they had their captain's meeting yet to decide who's going where?
I doubt it.
Land must be preserved.
Freaking ready.
Stay close to
Well,
safety.
probably because
Guarding
the
the
sergeant
GLA underground.
testing's done.
The tunnels will protect
Yeah,
us.
they're improving everything, like rounds.
I fear this will end you, General.
Teammate sergeant, he's got his whole sergeant uniform now that he
Guarding the
wears to work.
GLA underground.
He's still, I mean, he's getting sergeant pay. He's a sergeant technically, but
Yeah,
he's not that housing unit sergeant. Like he's still underneath. That's
yeah,
the
he's
sergeant,
still.
so
His job is still the floor officer.
making sergeant wage.
Yep.
We're awaiting your
Interesting, hanging out
assault,
there for
General.
nights, you
I'm
can't
beginning
exactly
to wonder
like-
if it will ever
Any different having two sergeants on board?
Yeah.
I am waiting.
God, they've got that douchebag cop back in Dogwood still. Or again.
Our courage will be seen by all.
He has been giving them a run for his money. For their money.
They will be killed. Booby trap ready.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General?
Oh yeah, I was just concentrating on blowing some stuff up.
I see. See, is it looking like you're gonna win then?
Oh yeah, it's just a time battle now.
Time battle now. Palaces end up working for you now.
Oh, definitely.
Good deal.
extra large.
How many did you have to build? I
Our
was
war
thinking
factories
of,
are
like,
working
what
hard to
I've
make
seen on
more
the first
tanks
recording is figured
just for
two.
you, General.
I've got 3. Yeah, I've got 3.
Alrighty, I'll let you get out of here.
Dude, their battle masters are wrecking my emperors.
Yeah, they'll have the 2-star versus your
0.
gone up, yeah. Even at that, that's still kind of weird. I don't know if it works or not on every unit, but Emperors, as far as I know, can run over the top of just about any unit.
Are you protecting your
Just run
flanks,
right
General?
over 'em. And
Yeah.
that'll go that way. I don't know if that works on the Battle Master or not. I
Launching
assume it does.
Scadston.
Because, like, and most of the time they'll continue to fire as they're advancing. But yeah, I've seen a lot of guys when I was
Our homes are in peril.
online stuff when it worked. They'd line their embers up like almost single file, but not back to back. Like they'd spread them out horizontally, and they would just advance them forward. Like they would have them
destroyed my command
basically
center.
driving forward,
I am
and they would
impressed,
shoot as they drove. But
Few survived this
if
long.
you didn't run away from their army, they just ran over the top of yours. Like I had a whole freaking army get killed that way one day. Like, yeah, they just ran right over the top of them, didn't shoot them, then none of them just ran over the top of them. I was like, well, that was gay. Like, I figured it could run over 1 or 2, but I didn't think it could just, like,
Are you impressed
run
with the
over my whole
modifications to
freaking
my
army.
tanks, General?
Yeah, that'd be a little frustrating, I'm sure.
So, anyways, top, and these battle masters keep it destroying your embers, making sure you're running them over.
How much longer can you survive such losses, General?
Perhaps it is time to consider something. Or not, because I mean, like, an ember's not going to chase it down, you know what I mean? If it's trying to run away, you're not going to catch it, but if it just stands there and shoots at you, should be able to run it over before it kills you.
Attack my war factory? All forces, remove this pest!
I made a big mistake. I just dropped a sneak attack in his face and he was ready for it.
Our Jarmen Kell has been seen. A warrior has fallen. I am waiting.
Oh my.
Sneak attacks only take like 3 minutes to recharge, don't
crush them.
Yeah, I just lost my second Jarmen Kell. Oh, that was painful.
I am big.
Hey, General, the build's one nuke, right? That's all you have to worry about.
Yeah.
If you have a wand, then you're pretty much solid.
Yep. What? Don't push me.
Prepare to fight.
We have more buggy ammo now.
The way is clear.
Scorpion rocket installed, sir.
Well, you have a good night.
Okay. You'll see the videos. Yep.
Okay. Hopefully I can't hear myself too much in them, but I probably can if I'm on speaker.
A warrior has fallen.
Out of way.
You might have to take it down for what I said about the dog one.
Soon the field will fill
I
with
didn't even
tanks.
hear what you said.
My
Something about a cop or
tanks
something.
amass in our base, preparing for the final assault. Will your defenses hold this time?
Yeah, I better not repeat it
Preparing my
right now.
tools. Indeed.
Give her some fire.
Indeed.
Fire.
Okay, talk to you later.
Yeah, have a good one.
Try to get a game in after today, one of these days.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
I am warrior has fallen. Demolition. A warrior has fallen.
All units, attack!
Extra large. What is next? In a moment. Quad cannon. Going.
Guarding the GLA underground.
Shh! I sense danger may be near.
Don't get on my bad side. I'll get there.
Our work is complete.
This will be your last chance to prove yourself, General. Soon my tanks will end your pitiful army.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
We can now use our Scud Storm. Launching Scud Storm.
Nice base, General. Care to surrender it?
What do you need?
Preparing my tools.
We will rebuild that war factory. Soon the tanks will again flow to your base like water.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Oh, okay, I will work.
A warrior has fallen.
This spells your doom, General. You cannot believe you're not going to hold out much longer, can you, General?
A warrior has fallen.
General! Our land is being attacked!
It is time. It won't be long.
No one escapes.
Quad cannon. Yes, yes. Going.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
We're in your base, General. Your defenses were inadequate.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
Our way! Our courage will be seen by all. We will not be oppressed.
A warrior has fallen.
Lie for the cause.
Scorpion, ready to
Upgrade
sting.
complete.
Four on the floor.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
Don't get on my bad side.
Scorpion, ready to
They will
sting.
break and shatter. It's
Our
mine.
Jarmen Kell has been seen by the enemy.
It's quiet out there, General. There must be a lot of tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think? My forces are at your door, General.
Yes, yes. Going. Don't push me.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
Yes, yes.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
I do not have patience for this. Begin stitching. Begin stitching.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
They are brittle. They will break and shatter.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
Punch it.
A warrior has fallen.
Don't push me.
We are victorious.
You may have defeated my tanks, General, but the Tigress will crush you like an insect.